Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fantastic trick to share with you that will save you from throwing away rice infested with those pesky little worms. You know, the ones I'm talking about. But fear not, because my neighbors taught me a simple yet effective trick. Stick around and I'll show you how to make those worms vanish in just 2 minutes. But first, let's understand why those worms appear in rice. These little critters, often referred to as rice worms, are actually tiny moth larvae. They're a natural part of the ecosystem, as crops can have worm eggs during their growth process. Even though the flour goes through processing, these eggs can't always be completely removed. When conditions like temperature and humidity are right, these eggs hatch into worms. But don't worry, these bugs aren't harmful to us. So let's get to the solution. Here's what you'll need: a few cloves of garlic, some dried black peppers, the kind with a strong aroma and a bit of spiciness, and a disposable mask. Start by cutting a section of the mask along the wire, then carefully pull out the wire. We'll use this later. Now open up the mask. Place the garlic cloves and dried peppers inside the mask. These ingredients have a pungent scent that insects dislike. It's like a natural repellent. Fold the mask back up, using the wire we removed earlier to secure it shut. And just like that, you've got yourself an insect repellent bag. Now, it's time to put our insect repellent bag to the test. Take a small bag in the rice, gently place the bag inside, and cover it with rice. After just 1 minute, you can already see some of those bugs making their way out. 2 minutes later, and there's a noticeable increase in their activity. Our insect repellent bag is doing its job. After about 10 minutes, the rice is practically bug-free, and you'll find that those critters are nowhere to be seen. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to get rid of those rice worms without the need chemical thing. This method works great for flour insects too. Whether it's rice or flour, proper storage is key to keeping these pests away and prolonging your product's shelf life. If you found this trick helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that follow button. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.